Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate XP Pen. It's a digitizer that I'm holding in my hand, and what you see on the screen is a model that I have purchased few months back. In India it is available for around 5,400 rupees. This is a very good tool if you want to start online classes or want to teach effectively. And I had another video on which I have explained how to connect this and how to get started with such digitizer. Okay, so in this video I am going to continue further and I'll tell you how to use it with a good software that I have been using named as Smooth Draw. So please note that Smooth Draw is a free software, and the version that is suitable for our online classes is 3.2. So it is available from this website software.informer. Okay, so it is available for free, and once you install the software, so it appears as an icon on your desktop. If you double click on it, this is the interface that is shown. Now as you can see, this looks very familiar to you, like your MS Paint, and there are few colors that are mentioned here on the screen, left side part of the screen. And when you install it, these colors will not be populated, so you'll have to populate them yourself. So for example, the mouse, it says left mouse you can pick a color and right mouse to fill a color. So for example, if I want to fill yellow color there, so I can go to yellow color, I can select the color, and I can do a right click. If I right click, so the color is populated in that particular uh, square. Okay, now this is the stylus that I'm having in my hand, and if you start moving, okay, so the Smooth Draw has an issue. By default in Windows 10 it was able to work in MS Paint and PowerPoint without any problem, but in Windows 10 there are two small things that we'll have to do. I'm going to explain that. So this pen tablet is a software that comes along with the device. We'll have to download this from the software and install it. After installation you can open it and you can do some basic configuration. So for example, there are two buttons on the digitizer. I don't want them to do anything, so I clicked on no action, because sometimes when we write, it erases or it does something else. So I'm not too expert in using stylus, and hence I've marked both the buttons as no action. And there's a markup or mapping that is shown here, what display area we have and how it is connected to the screen, so you can modify that if you want. And for in Windows 10, for it to work, you have to uncheck this Windows Ink. Okay, so this is some settings in Windows 10 software. Okay, now when you do this, you can click on OK, and then when you start Smooth Draw, let me start it again. So now it will start writing. So when I move my, but again there is a problem. So you can see the crosshair is somewhere, but the writing is happening somewhere else. So there is an offset that is existing. Okay, so this offset is because of an again small issue in Windows 10. So let me correct that also. I can right click on my desktop, I can go to display settings, and so somewhere it is mentioned as scale and layout. So instead of 125%, I'll change it to 100%. So if it is 100, no problem, you don't have to worry. If it is higher, you please change it to 100%. Now again, as you can see, the icons are nicely shown. Let me open Smooth Draw now. Now when I move my hand, so wherever the crosshair is located, accordingly the lines are drawn. Okay, So as you can see, I am able to draw it, and more pressure I put, the thick line will be drawn. Okay, so you'll have to have some practice. You'll have to tilt your device at an angle so that you'll be able to draw proper lines. Okay, so Smooth Draw is a good software because it has few nice features like undo. If I make a small mistake, I can undo very easily. Okay, and it also has a rubber or an eraser which will just rub the parts that you want to rub, like this. Okay, and there are a lot of varieties of pens that you can take, and typically this is used by artists. So since for teaching we just need proper pen, I either use pen or you can use a pencil like this. But again, the pencil is having different variations. I simply use the default pen that is mentioned. Okay, so this is about how to get started with Smooth Draw software in Windows 10. On Windows 8.1, you don't have to do the settings that I have asked you to do. Without that also, you will be able to finish off. So in the next video, I'll demonstrate how to make some changes in Smooth Draw so that you'll have good writing experience. Thank you.